Ubersuggest Marketing and SEO Honest Review. Watch before using. In today's video, we're diving deep into Ubersuggest, a popular SEO tool by Neil Patel. Before we begin, make sure to check the links to the product in the description below for more details. Ubersuggest promises to help businesses and marketers grow their organic traffic, improve their SEO efforts, and perform competitor research, all in one place. But is it really worth your time and investment? Let's break it down. First, Ubersuggest offers a suite of key features, such as keyword research, site audits, backlink tracking, and competitive analysis. The keyword research tool provides you with valuable search volume data, competition level, and seasonal trends. The site audit feature scans your website for SEO errors and gives you actionable suggestions for improvements. Backlink tracking allows you to monitor both your backlinks and those of your competitors, which is crucial for building a solid SEO strategy. Who is Ubersuggest created for? It's ideal for small to medium-sized businesses, content creators, and marketers who are just starting their SEO journey or need an affordable tool to complement their existing strategy. It's user-friendly, so you don't need to be a tech expert to navigate through it. But if you're looking for advanced enterprise-level SEO tools, Ubersuggest might feel a bit too basic. In terms of pricing, Ubersuggest is quite competitive. It offers a free version with limited functionality, but to unlock all features, you'll need to go for one of the paid plans. These plans are reasonably priced compared to other SEO tools on the market, making it a good value for beginners and smaller teams. In conclusion, Ubersuggest is a solid choice for those starting with SEO, looking for a budget-friendly option, or are needing a comprehensive but simple tool to boost their marketing efforts. If you're serious about SEO and content marketing, this could be a game changer for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video to help others discover useful information. Thanks for watching.